Hi guys, Kilty here. Let's start now as we have much more to discuss than in the past 2 months. This month we posted 2 shorts and 1 long-form video, but there's something more about that long-form video. That video absolutely took off and gained us 16,000 views as of writing the script. Our channel only had 15 subs before we posted that video, and now we have almost 750. You guys are amazing. The 500 sub special should come out soon, by the way. Also, with the popularity of that video exploding, so did our Discord server. We had 9 members at the end of last month, 2 of them being bots and the rest being people either Virus or I knew personally. And now we have 70. With the server growing this much, we have gained many good insights and made some great friends. If you want to join the fun, the link to the server is in the description. People have also had fun on the subreddit. We have 6 members on that, which isn't a ton, but people have still been actively posting. We also now have 5 followers on the Blue Sky account. We haven't posted on there in over a month, but it's still pretty cool how the people decide we were worth following on there. Another thing we've done this month is a census of our Discord server to see where people are from and where the bias might be. This census was taken from March 24th to March 26th, and 17 members voted on it. The top countries voted are shown on the screen now. And here's a map visualization. We will keep doing this every month and present the results in our monthly updates. It's time to talk about our plans for next month. We are still working on scripting for the vent videos, and the meme video is kinda on the back burner since it'll probably be more than 20 minutes long when it comes out. We'll have those videos out as soon as we can. However, another video idea we are working on consistently is a video about why school fails to motivate students well. It should only be around 5 minutes long, so editing will be quicker than most of our other videos. You can expect that video to come out relatively soon. We'll also make more funny shorts like the ones we've already posted, so watch for those. We may even include some other guest stars' voices in them, so if you have a Discord account, a good microphone, a quiet room, the ability to read from a script, and want to be in a funny YouTube short, feel free to join the Discord server and request to voice a part in a short. There are no guarantees you'll be chosen, but we have few enough people on the server that everyone gets attention from me and Virus. Virus and I love making new friends on the server. Finally, Drone over on the Discord server made a Google form for people to fill out to show the students' perspectives on many things. After we put the motivation video out, we will analyze the results of that form and make a video out of it. We need more people to fill it out, so the link is in the description if you haven't submitted it already. That's about all there is to discuss about March 2025 for the movement for the rights of the future generations. We hope to see you in April. Bye bye!